Alright, so it's been snowing for like a couple, feels like 2 days, but really it's a whole day. So just wanted to give you a little look at what happened here. Ready? This used to be my pool. It's my backyard. It's my grill. This is my shed. You can see how much snow is on top of there. That's my pool heater, not gonna be using that for a while. And this is the trail I had to make so my two dogs could actually go to the bathroom. Oops, sorry, yellow snow. Look at that. And they still don't like it. Alright. Ta-da! I made sure to make a path so that on Christmas, not can Santa Claus make it, but the Chinese food delivery man can make it. Look at all that snow. By the way, one of the neighbors was walking his dogs, and he says to me, "Oh, wow, you did this all by shovel?" And I was like, "Yes." And he's like, "God bless," and ran away. Now, if I was 10, this would be perfect for a fort. I remember at my house making this. Look, that's all mine. Then you go around. All that has to be shoveled. Okay, and this stuff blowing in the wind, it better just be flakes blowing, not snowing yet. And that's mine too. That's the law. You gotta shovel the sidewalk, and that's it. If you can't fit through the width of that sidewalk, too bad, you shouldn't be outside. And there's the neighbors with their snow blowers. Bastards. And those neighbors over there have the spirit. They're shoveling, and they got Christmas music playing. Alright. That's enough, I'm sore. I'm tired. Where are the kids when you need it? You know, the ones that are supposed to shovel your neighbor's lawn. I used to have to do that. Oh well.